Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the filtration equipments. Now comes on the contents to be discussed here. Basically, here two filter equipments will discuss like the metafilter and rotary drum filters. In this filter, we learn about their principle, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages, as well as their uses. Now, first we discuss about the metafilter. If we talk about their principle, so here the following points to be considered in the principle, like the metafilters, which is functions as the strainer. It is well known as a surface filtration for the separation of the particles. In this method, the metal rings which contain a semicircular projections which are arranged as a nest to form channels on the edge. This channel offers resistance to the flow of the solids, and the clear liquids which is passed through the channels is collected into the receiver from the top of the equipment. Now comes on construction of metafilter. So it is very clear from the diagram. So metafilter basically consists of a series of metal rings, and these rings are threaded so that a channel is formed on the edge. It is also contain a grouped like structure, means it is known as the drainage column, on which a series of metal rings are packed. These rings are usually made up of stainless steel, which have the dimension of about 15 millimeters internal diameter and 22 millimeter external diameter. These rings has a number of semicircular projections, and these projections are in each metal rings, which have 0.8 millimeters in thickness on one sides of the surface. These projections are arranged the same way in the up positions. One thinks about the rings. So these rings are tightened on the drainage column with a nut system. Therefore, the metafilters is also known as the edge filter. Now we discuss the working of metafilter. So basically it consists of 5 steps. So in the first steps, the metafilters, in which the filters involves, are placed in a vessel and may be operated by the pumping the slurry under pressure, or occasionally by the applications of reduced pressure to the outlet side. In second point, the slurry passes through the channel and it formed on the edge between the rings. In third steps, the clear liquids which is passes through the channel rises up and collected from the outlet into the receiver. In fourth point, the metafilter, which is functions as a strainer. So for the separation of the fine particles, a bed of suitable material such as Kieselguhr is first built up. So here Kieselguhr is used as the filter aid, which is help us to prevent the blocking of filter media. In 5 steps, the pack of the rings, which is serves essentially as a base on which the true filter media is supported. So this is all about the working of the meta filter. Now comes on advantages of meta filter. So basically it offers several advantages, like the running costs are low as separated filter media is not used. Second, it can be constructed from the material that can provide excellent resistance to the corrosion and avoid contaminations of sensitive product. Third advantage is very clear. It is very extremely versatile filters. It also can be used for the filtration of very fine particles using the filter aids. Next, it is advantageous for the removal of the cake is carried out very easily by sampling back flushing with the water. Here, the sterile product can also be handled for the filtration as well as their collection. These slides contain some pharmaceutical applications of metafilters. So, metafilters are used in various pharmaceutical fields, like the metafilters are used for the clarifications of syrups. Second, the filtration of injections solutions can also be possible by the metafilters. Third one is clarification of insulin liquids can also be done. And last, the filtration of the viscous liquids can be achieved by applying the pressure. Now we discuss the second filter equipments, like the rotary drum filter. Let us start with their principle. So rotary drum filter basically based on the mechanism of sieve filtration, or we can say the surface filtration, in which the rotation of drum surface occurs under the condition of vacuum. In this, the addition of compression, drying and removing of filter cake are also possible. If we see their construction, so basically the rotary drum filter consists of metal cylinder which is mounted horizontally. The drum may be up to 3 meter in the diameter and 3.5 meter in the length, and it gives the surface area about 20 meters square. Third steps of construction is the curved surface which is being perforated plates, and it supported via a filter cloth. The internal structure of the rotary drum filter, it is divided into the several sectors, and a separate connection is made between the each sector and especially a rotary valve. The construction of the rotary drum filter is seen on the next slide. This slide contain the working, and one more things is the diagram of the rotary drum filter, which already discussed in the previous slides. Here we see the various zone on the rotary drum filter. Basically it contain 5 zones, like the pickup zone, drainage zone, washing zone, drying zone and cake removal zone. So basically there are 5 zones on which rotary drum filter will works. So the working of the rotary drum filter will discuss in a sequence. In the first steps, the drum is dipped into the slurry and vacuum is applied to the outlet, which is connected to the filtrate receiver. Second point, when the cake has formed, the cake drained or partially dried by the vacuum. In third steps, the drum is sprayed with water to wash the cake, and this phenomena is completed under the washing zone. In fourth point, the retaining the vacuum connection drains the cake and produce partial dryness then and removed by the doctor knife, and these steps basically completed consequently in the drying zone as well as in the cake removal zone. In the 5 steps, the solids of the slurry, which is too much and that deposit on the surface of the drum filter are easily removed by the doctor knife after the drying, and this cake are too much thick, which may block the filter cloth with the particles. So here we applied the filter aid as a pre-coat solution over the filter media. In 6 point, the pre-coat of the filter aid is deposited on the drum prior to the filtration process. So the addition of the filter aids is much more advantage to prevent the blockage of the filter media. So the working is very efficient on applying the filter aid. Here we discuss some advantages and disadvantages as well as the uses of the rotary drum filter. So first we talk about the advantages. So here some advantages are listed below. The first advantages is the rotary filter is automatic process and it is continuous in operation, so that the labor costs are very low. Second advantage is that the filter has large capacity, so it is suitable for filtration of highly concentrated solutions. Filter has large surface area, and next advantage is that the pre-coat of filter aid could used to accelerate the filtration rate. Some disadvantages is like the rotary filter is a very complex piece of equipment with many moving parts and is very expensive. In addition to the filter itself, some accessories are connected like the vacuum pump, vacuum receiver, slurry pump, and agitators are also required, in which the maintenance costs are very high, so it is really a drawbacks from the rotary drum filter. Next disadvantage, the cake which tends to crack due to the air drawn through the vacuum, so that the washing and the drying not efficient. If we see the uses of rotary drum filter, So it is continuous operations on large quantity of slurry. Second use, it is suitable for slurry which contains considerable amount of solids in the range of 15 to 13%. Third use of the rotary drum filter is used in the manufacturing of antibiotics. So, on the filtration of antibiotics, the rotary drum filter is best option compared to other. So, these are all about for the rotary drum filters.